Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to make a bootable USB. This is the easiest way that I've come across. It's just as easy as copying the ISO image of the OS to your pendrive. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this tutorial to work, you'll need three things. A pendrive which is at least 4 gigs in memory, because most of the OS are more than 2 gigs and 4 gigs is the smallest one, so yeah. The second is a program and the third is your OS ISO image. So let's get started with downloading program. The program's name is Ventoy. I'll just go to Google. No, not Flipkart. I'll just go to Google and type in Ventoy. So I'll open up Ventoy, click on downloads, click on Windows zip. It'll open the GitHub page. Just download the latest Ventoy. That's it. And my IDM popped up. I'll not download it because I've already done that. I'll close this up. Now you have to insert your pen drive into your PC. Now I'll go to my disk drive where I have installed Ventoy. Let me search for it. Here's the one. So double click on Ventoy to disk. Yes. So my pen drive is automatically selected. If you have multiple pen drives installed, a list will appear here. So it says Ventoy on package 1.0.21 and Ventoy on device has nothing because I have not installed it. I'll click on install. It says your disk will be formatted. So if you have data on your disk, just save it again. And to double check it, yes, in a few seconds it will be done. So let's close it. It says congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed. So now both versions are same. Close it up, close it up. Now the pen drive's name is Ventoy and nothing has been changed. I guess they have done some configuration, but the size is the same as far as I know. Now the third part is to get an ISO image of the OS and just copy it on the pen drive. So I'll just go to Edge. I'll just type in Ubuntu as the file size is comparatively small to Windows. I'll just go to download 20.04, so it's 2.59 gigs. Let's start download and let's wait for a few minutes. By the way, I'm demonstrating this for Linux. It works on Windows as well, since Linux is the smallest one, that's 2.5 gigs and Windows is like 5 gigs, so I chose Linux. It's just a minute remaining. Let's wait for a minute and we'll proceed. Let's just open the folder. Let's just copy this up and go to this PC and a pen drive named Ventoy. I'll just right click and click on paste and wait for the pasting. It depends on the type of pen drive that you're using. So here's the pen drive that I'm using. I'll just insert it on my laptop and go to the mute menu. Now you have to remember that the boot menu key is different for every laptop. For mine is an Asus VivoBook. I'll hold the escape key and press the power button. As you can see, my boot menu appeared. Now I have to go to my pen drive, that's UEFI HP V210W 1100. Bixby popped up, I don't know why. Partition 2, I'll just hit enter. And this is the Ventoy interface. Now I have only one ISO image in here. I can have multiple. I'll just hit, this is the Ubuntu ISO 20.04. I'll hit enter and I'm the grub bootloader. Now it auto selected Ubuntu. Let's wait for a few seconds and Ubuntu will pop up. So Ubuntu has booted. That's the boot chime. So it's normal. You can just click on try Ubuntu and try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So this was all about Ventoy. This is the easiest way to create a bootable USB. This is a noob friendly or layman friendly way. Anyways, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit the other button. It works as well. Comment for any queries, and since you're commenting, share this video with your friends so that they also know that making a bootable pen drive is so easy now. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.